Hey cheese lovers! Ever wondered where cream cheese came from? Well, let's rewind a bit. Grab a snack because this is gonna be better than you think. Way back in the day, people were all about cheese even before they knew how to make the fancy kinds we eat today. Egyptians, Romans, they all had their own cheesy thing going on. But no cream cheese yet, not even a crumb of it. Until William Lawrence accidentally discovered it. He was actually trying to make Neuchâtel, a crumbly, tangy cheese from Europe. But here's the twist. He added too much cream. Instead of intended crumbly cheese, Lawrence ended up with something smooth, creamy, and easy to spread. And just like that, cream cheese was born. By the early 1900s, cream cheese was catching on. It was becoming a key ingredient in many kitchens, especially in the US. People were using it in spreads, dips, and even in savory dishes. But it wasn't until the 1930s that cream cheese truly exploded in popularity, thanks to its use in the now iconic cheesecake. Today, cream cheese is everywhere. From dips to desserts, bagels to pizzas, its versatility makes it a staple in kitchens worldwide. But no matter how it's used, the smooth, rich taste remains unchanged. And you can experience the same rich, creamy goodness with Dlecta cream cheese.